Good morning, everyone. This Sunday's Gospel made me reflect about our life priorities. As a youth and currently as a student, what matters to me the most is school, family, and my community. For some, it could be a relationship, achievements, or dreams. However, a question came to me: what influences all our decision while planning our day or week? Could it be our friends, family, job, or anxiety, fear that makes our heart feel restless with the endless worries? Today, Jesus is reminding us that whoever chooses to love Him and intentionally carry our cross will surely be given their reward. Just last week, I understood in prayer Jesus asking me to follow Him more closely. I desire to. However, my parents do not find it as pleasing as they are worried about my commitment and time spent. After listening to the life of Father Jaime Bonet, he made me realize how gifted I am to hear the voice of God and to pray. I become restless because of these past few weeks. Because I hear the call to follow Jesus, yet I choose to turn blind eye because I am deeply worried how it affect my grades at school. Despite everything, we can keep hoping because every time we feel that we are stumbling down, Jesus carries us with our crosses just as He did. Just like at the end of the passage, Jesus says, whoever gives only a cup of cold water will surely not lose his reward. God sees all our efforts. Even when you are very stressed, our cup of cold water might be just an offering, a simple prayer at the end of an exhausting day, showing up every Sunday despite an intense week, or taking a quick 5-minute prayer of surrender during study break. He sees your desire and He carries you through the difficulty. So let us pray that we may receive the gift of fortitude, understanding, and wisdom to learn and depend on the strength of Jesus and carry our